Think you know birds? Think again. Here are 10 wild facts that will blow your mind. 1. Birds are modern-day dinosaurs. They evolved from a group of meat-eating dinosaurs called theropods. 2. The smallest bird in the world, the bee hummingbird, is so tiny it's often mistaken for an insect. 3. Parrots don't just mimic. Some can understand context and even solve simple puzzles. 4. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on the planet, diving at speeds over 200 miles per hour. 5. Pigeons have incredible navigation skills, using the Earth's magnetic field to find their way home. 6. The lyrebird can imitate almost any sound, from a chainsaw to a camera shutter. 7. Crows are incredibly intelligent and can remember human faces, especially those who have wronged them. 8. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. 9. Some birds, like the Arctic tern, migrate over 49,000 miles every year. And 10. Chickens have their own complex language with over 30 different calls. Crazy, right? Subscribe for more amazing animal facts.